Hey there, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Hefshin again. We are going to work through a 2-digit by 1-digit division number sentence together. Are you ready? Are you ready?
Yeah.
All right, here we go. So we have 78 divided by 3. What's the first step that we need to do? Divide. So remember, we want to put our little reminder steps here if you don't already have them written. D-N-S, C-B. Let's add what at the bottom? R. Very good. Does. McDonald's. Sell. Cheese. Burgers. There. Very good. All right. What is the next step that we want to do? Before we start our division, what do?
You take the large number.
What do we have to do? We want to remember our... What about our divisor? We have to write our multiples. So we're going to count by 3. What's 3 times 1? 3. 3 times 2. 3 times 3. 3 times 4. 3 times 5. 3 times 6. 3 times 7. 3 times 8. 3 times 9. All right, so there's all your multiples. They're in one place for you to look at when you're trying to divide. All right, so our first step is to divide. Remember, we're going to look at the first digit in our dividend, and we're going to divide it by our divisor. So 7 divided by 3. So ask yourselves, how many times can 3 fit into 7 without going over? So let's count. 3, 6.
9.
Uh-oh, 9 is too much. It's over. So how many times could we count before we got to 7?
2.
Only 2. So how many times does 3 fit into 7 without going over? 2 times. Very good. That means that 7 divided by 3 is 2. Very good. I am done with division for the first time. So I'm going to check that step off. What is step 2? What's step 2?
Multiply.
Very good. I am going to multiply that part of my quotient that I just put there times the divisor. What is 2 times 3? 6. And I'm going to put it underneath the digit in that dividend that I just divided. So 6 is going to go here. I'm done multiplying that step, so I can check it off. What's next? Subtract. I am going to subtract the 7 from my dividend minus the product of 6, and I'm going to get 1. Very good. What's my next step? Check. Very good. So I ask myself, is my difference less than my divisor? Yes or no? Yes, it is. 1 is less than 3, so I am good to move on. What's next? B, burgers means bring down. Do I have anything to bring down? Yes, I do. I still have this 8 in my dividend that I have not used, so I'm going to bring it on down next to my difference. I'm going to write it there. I have brought down, so it gets a check. Do we remember?
Yes.
Repeat after me. If I bring down, I must start over. Very good job. So now I must go all the way back to the beginning, and I've got to divide again. What is my new dividend? 18. All of this here becomes my new dividend. So I'm going to divide 18 divided by 3. Let's look. What is the closest multiple without going over?
18.
18. Here it is. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many times does 3 fit into 18? 6. Very good. Put your 6 up here in your quotient. I am done dividing for the second time. Check it off. What do I do next? Multiply 6 times 3 equals
27.
6 times 3 equals 18. I have multiplied. I can check it off. What comes next? Subtract. 18 minus 18 equals 0. I have subtracted. What is next? Check. Very good. Repeat after me. Is my difference less than my divisor? Is it? Yes, it is. I can check it off. What is B? Bring it on down. Do I have anything left to bring down? So I am done. I'm going to look here. Whatever is left over is my remainder. Very good job. Since it is 0, I have nothing to write because I have nothing left over. So read this problem with me. 78 divided by 3 equals 26. Very good job. There you have it. Dividing 2-digit by 1-digit numbers.